Rainwater can be useful for gardens, lawns, and other jobs around the home. A downspout diverter helps guide that water into a rain barrel instead of letting it flow away. In this video, I'm covering the best downspout diverters. These picks fall into different price ranges, and each one may suit a different use, so it's worth watching the full video to find the best fit for your needs. You'll find links to every product in the description. If this video helps, give it a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Leave any questions in the comments. And now, let's start with the first pick. Number 6, a Nivea Rain Barrel Diverter Kit. For number 6, I have a budget-priced option that gives you useful control without adding a complicated setup. It works with common 2x3-inch and 3x4-inch residential downspouts, so it can suit many homes. A 3-position valve lets you choose off, medium, or high flow. That makes it easier to manage how much rainwater reaches the barrel and when normal gutter drainage should take over. The large inner pipe handles a strong flow, and the removable filter window with a filter net helps catch leaves and debris. Cleaning should be simple since you can remove that section instead of taking apart the full unit. Installation involves cutting a section of the downspout, fitting the diverter, and connecting the included 39-inch hose. It works with many rain barrel styles, and the maker says it can fill a 55-gallon barrel in about 3 hours under suitable rainfall. White, black, and brown versions give you choices for matching the downspout. The main concern is the hose. Some buyers report cracking or falling apart after a few months in sunlight, and others mention leaks during heavy rain. I would plan on replacing it with a better sunlight-resistant hose for longer use. The diverter itself remains a practical pick for low-cost rain collection with adjustable flow. Number 5, Rodelna Rain Barrel Downspout Diverter. At number 5, this mid-range pick brings more flexibility than many basic diverters. I see the dual outlet setup as its biggest draw, since you can feed 2 rain barrels at once, or close one side for a single barrel system. It fits standard 2x3-inch and 3x4-inch aluminum or vinyl downspouts. The maker rates its patented design at more than 90% rainwater interception, giving it strong collection potential during steady rainfall. A built-in mesh catches medium and large leaves before they reach the barrel, and the one-piece connector reduces the number of joints where leaks may form. For stability, locking slots on both sides let you fasten the body to a wall. The thick, sunlight-resistant PVC housing is made for outdoor use, and buyers often describe the main unit as sturdy and easy to install. 2 outlet ports make it useful for larger storage setups, especially when one barrel is not enough. The weaker parts are the included accessories. Some buyers report that the hose is thin and may crack after sun exposure, and the clamps can strip during tightening. Only one rubber cap may be included too. Replacing the hose and clamps could raise long-term reliability, leaving the main diverter as a capable choice for collecting water across 2 barrels. Number 4, Tintsubbo Rain Barrel Diverter Kit. Taking the 4th spot, this option focuses on high water capture and a setup that can feed 2 barrels. Its lower mid-range pricing makes it appealing for anyone who wants more capacity without moving into a premium tier. It works with 2x3-inch and 3x4-inch aluminum or vinyl downspouts. The patented cover is rated to capture up to 85% of incoming rainwater, and the 2 outlets let you connect a pair of barrels during heavy rain. For lighter rainfall, you can run a single barrel and leave the other side unused. A built-in filter blocks larger leaves and debris before they enter your storage container. That can help keep the collected water cleaner, though the filter may take some effort to clear once organic matter builds up. Dual mounting ears let you fasten the body to a wall, and the thick, sunlight-protected PVC construction is made for long outdoor exposure. Installation is described as simple, though the written directions may feel limited, so the product video can be useful. A few buyers report water escaping underneath or a loose seal during strong storms. Still, I think the sturdy housing, dual barrel support, and fast collection rate make this a smart choice for gardens, lawns, stock tanks, or car washing. Number 3, Prestigious Downspout Diverter. Number 3 brings a useful mix of flow control and flexible placement at a budget-friendly price. I'd place it mainly on homes with larger 3x4-inch downspouts, since that size appears to give the most reliable fit. A 3-position valve lets you choose off, medium, or high collection, so you can limit the flow or send more water to the barrel during steady rain. The outlet can face left or right, which helps when the barrel sits on either side of the downspout. Its maker rates collection at more than 85%, and the removable top cap gives you easier access when leaves or debris need clearing. A 2x3-inch adapter is included, along with a 4-foot hose, and the unit comes in white or brown. Installation calls for removing a 6.5-inch section of the downspout, then sliding the upper and lower pieces into place. Buyers often praise the clear measurements and simple controls. The main drawbacks come from the hose and smaller downspout fit. Reports mention kinks, short reach, sun damage, and a loose adapter on some 2x3-inch systems. A longer replacement hose and added support may prevent trouble. For a 3x4-inch downspout, this is a practical, low-cost route to adjustable collection without a bulky design. Number 2. Prestigious Gutter Downspout Diverter. Number 2 is aimed at people who want cleaner collection and easy control without paying premium-level money. From a pricing standpoint, it lands in the lower mid-range, giving you more filtering and flow options than many basic kits. It fits both 2x3-inch and 3x4-inch downspouts, and the outlet can face left or right to suit the barrel location. A fine mesh screen catches leaves, twigs, and other debris before they enter the hose. The removable top cap makes that screen easier to reach for cleaning. Its maker rates the collection channel at more than 80% efficiency. The 3-mode valve gives you off, medium, and high settings. In high mode, an internal baffle helps keep debris away from the outlet. Switch it off, and rainwater can flush loose material down the main downspout. A 4-foot reinforced hose is included, and you can trim it for a shorter run. White and brown versions are available. Most buyers report simple installation and dependable operation. Still, some say the capture rate falls closer to 75%, and opinions on the hose are mixed. Mounting it high enough can help avoid low bends that trap water. I see this as a practical choice for anyone who values cleaner storage and quick flow adjustments. Number 1. Earth-minded Rain Barrel Diverter Kit. At number 1, this is the premium pick for anyone who wants a simple setup with fewer cuts to the downspout. I think its biggest appeal is the side entry design, since you drill one opening, insert the fitting, and leave the main pipe in place. The fill hose stretches from 8 to 31 inches, giving you room to place the barrel where it makes sense. Once the barrel reaches capacity, extra water returns to the downspout automatically, which can reduce overflow around the container. Several versions are made for 2x3-inch, 3x4-inch, and round downspouts, so choosing the correct size matters. You can turn many plastic containers into collection barrels, and a winter cover is included for seasonal bypass. Setup is usually quick, but this listing does not include the needed hole saw. Proper sealing matters too. Some buyers report leaks around the grommet, and silicone caulk may help create a tighter seal. Heavy downpours can overwhelm the system, and the flexible hose may sag under water weight. The winter cap may need a zip tie in hard rain. Even with those limits, the easy installation, automatic overflow return, and flexible hose make it a strong choice for a neat rain barrel setup. This brings us to the end of our look at the best downspout diverters. For more helpful product reviews, check out the other videos on the channel. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you again soon.